Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a digital journal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the tool that we are going to use in this video to create our journal is Evernote. So you can start for free. You will need just to click on download. Then it will redirect you to the download page. And of course, the website name is evernote.com. After that, you will need just to go to the desktop application, click download for Windows, and then you will have it downloaded. So I'm going just to start the installer and start using our Evernote application. So let's wait for the application to execute. And basically, you need just to accept the term and the license service or agreements and wait for the installing to finish. And now we will have our Evernote that is open. I'm going just to log in with my Google account so we can have an easy access to our Evernote application. I just signed in into via Google. So it will redirect me to our page or our software, and now we can create our new journal. So let's just for capture ideas quickly, you can add anything that you would like, and let's just choose whatever we want, and let's skip the trial and here. So basically now we need just to create a new, and here we can find either a note or tasks. So now we can just go to notebooks and we can see our notebook. So here it will take us to the first one and we can open the gallery, and from here we can find all the templates. So you can just search for journal or anything that you will like, gratitude journal. You can have a multiple category of templates. So you can have a collection for your school, for life, etc, and you can have any journal that you would like type. So I'm just going for the gratitude journal, for example, and I'm going to click, and now we have in our journal that has been created. And of course, you can share it with other people. You can print it and export it as a PDF, so you cannot have this editing problem. So after you finish all the editions, you need just to export as PDF, and you will have your journal as follow. And of course, you can add anything and modify whatever you like on this journal. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.